My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Seat Leon. This vehicle has done just under 65,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our key features, which include smartphone integration, navigation, full link, traffic reports, and our Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.